Hello, welcome in GWL Technical Department.
Today, you will find out the difference between smart relay and DC power contactor. Later, you will see one option of connection BMS 123 smart relay. For installation, you will need some special tools. For example, knife, cutting splitters, screwdriver, and terminal. The advantage of DC power contactor is ability of switching current up to 600 ampere. The disadvantage is comparably high continuous consumption, up to 15 watts. This depends on the voltage level of the system. The advantage of dual smart relay is universal working voltage range from 12 to 48 volts. Dual relay, as the name suggests, consists of two relays, which can be used for switching the charger or load. The huge advantage consumption with DC power contactor is extremely low self-consumption, max 25 mW. Now, you will see one option of connection dual smart relay. First, we connect the minus of battery to the minus terminal of BMS smart relay. Then, we follow the connection drawing. Now, we can connect communication wire. Connect the input 1 to pin 3 for load relay. Connect the input 2 to pin 1 for the charge relay. Important: pay attention to the position of pins during the installation. They are marked by numbers. They are always the outer terminals. Now we have to connect together plus from battery with plus on smart relay and pin 2 on charge and load relay. For this connection, you will need extra terminal. When you make right connection, you can see flashing LED diodes on the smart relay. More options of connection over the smart relay you can find out on our website on the manual.
And that's all today. Thanks for watching.
Follow our YouTube channel and check new videos.